Focus. Sit straight. 1, 2, 3, go.
Glory to God in the glory to heaven. Glory to God in the highest heaven. Glory in the glory to heaven. And peace of men of good will.
See? Good, very good. Wala sa likod, nasa side. Wala yung tingin mo. Sit straight, stand straight, sorry. Kung yung kamay, bakit yan? Ay, discipline. Unison, until chorus, and then clash. Once again clash, alto will go to stanza, then chorus, and then ending tayo. Diba? Dalawang ending and piece of very good will. Get it? Okay. Tingnan ko kung follow the instruction. Ano yun? Unison, magko-chorus. Tapos alto will go to their part, alto, and piece of men of good will, and then isa pang and piece of men of good will as ending. Get it? Kung ano naman kagkatulog dyan? Okay. 1, 2, ready, smile. 1, 2,